Welcome, everyone. Welcome to day number 26 of the 30-day meditation journey. I'm so proud of you for taking this journey with me. Even if you missed a couple of days, do not worry about that. Just get back on track and move forward. You are creating a habit for yourself, and this is a good habit to have. So if you are just joining us, please go back to day number 1 for the introduction. Also, if you are looking to do a deep dive into self-love, into meditation, then please look at the link in the description box below with regards to my self-love and my meditation workshops. They are pre-recorded, so you have unlimited access to them, and you can do them at your own pace. You can do them over and over again. It is entirely up to you. So check that out. Now, let's get meditating. Get into a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed for 10 to 15 minutes. Sorry, there was a bird outside my window. But I guess the bird was feeling the vibe. So just get into a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed for a little bit. This is for you. This is for your mind, body, and soul. So you can lie down or you can sit up. It is up to you, whatever's going to be comfortable for you. Adjust your clothing, adjust your blankets, whatever you have. Make sure the temperature in the room is not too hot, not too cold. And when you are ready, just take a deep breath in through your nose. And exhale. Make sure your eyes are closed. And just take another deep breath in, exhaling through your mouth, sighing that out, releasing and letting go of your day, of your week, anything that might be bothering you or on your mind. Just take the 10 minutes to allow yourself to just be present in this moment. When we are able to get more centered within ourselves, when we can go within, sometimes we are able to find the answers within. Just continue to breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth a couple of more times, just sighing it out, releasing, letting go, relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your face and your neck, relaxing your body. Relaxing your mind and letting go of any thoughts or emotions that seem to restrict you or limit you. Just let it all go. Breathe it out. Just sigh it out. Release it. Every inhale and exhale, go deeper into your heart center. And you can place a hand at your heart center in the center of your chest, both hands if you like. Allow your focus, your attention to go to your heart center with every breath. As you go deeper into the heart center, releasing. You walk along a path. And along this path, a door. You open the door, and on the other side is a beautiful garden. You feel relaxed here, you feel nurtured in this space, in this beautiful garden. You feel like you've come home. As you walk in this garden, you realize that you are not alone. Your higher self is with you and always has been with you. This higher self is full of wisdom, knowledge, understanding. This higher self can see clearly, knows exactly what it is that you need. This higher self will never speak negatively of you, only positive thoughts and affirmations, only love. If that is not what you are experiencing, then please ask this energy to leave and for your higher self, your higher consciousness to come in. Only the highest consciousness of love and light, unconditional love, can enter into the space. This higher self will answer or give you any wisdom or knowledge that you need. You can go ahead and ask your higher self a question or guidance, whatever it is that you need. Your higher consciousness will provide you with the answer, coming from a place of unconditional love and light. And just listen for the answer without any expectation or preconceived notions. Just listen and be present. Continue to breathe. listen, continue to breathe, being in the moment, being present. Stay here with your higher self as long as you like. Your higher self, your higher consciousness is always with you. You just need to tap in to that inner voice, to that higher self. If you haven't received a message, that's okay, because this message can come later. Now, if you are ready, thank your higher self, your higher consciousness, for being here, for the information, for the love, and then go back towards the door that you came in and down the path. And begin to bring your awareness back into the space, back into this room, back into the body. And wiggle your fingers and toes. Rub your hands together. And place your hands over your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. And open your eyes and remove your hands. Thank you for being here.